Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is CAC AI speaking. In today's video, I have something very crucial I have to share with you guys, and it's very interesting that I've been looking for ways to share this with you guys before now, but I just made sure that I could find something that is legally acceptable by law and by YouTube, and that's why it has taken me this long. And I would have made a practical walkthrough video, but due to YouTube's policy, that will not be possible. And I've tried as much as possible to do a proper research before I share this tip with you guys. And this is how to resolve the current document upload on the Corporate Affairs Commission. Don't forget that most people are having issue with the AI portal. The AI portal is currently querying your ID cards, and a lot of people have tried several methods. In fact, myself, I've advised on different methods, and I've noticed that most people trying those methods, it still doesn't work. Right now, I personally, someone reached out to me from YouTube for my YouTube video, and due to concerns for a lot of people that are having issues with it, she sent me a detailed walkthrough on how this can be resolved and what she has been using for herself to resolve this kind of queries whenever it comes up. So I feel it's very important that I share this with you guys right now in this particular video. So I'm not going to be leaving anything out, and I want this to be legally acceptable by YouTube and by law as well, right? So I'm going to be reading out from the script. So, and anyway I need to explain or make emphasis, I would make an emphasis. So I wanted to watch through the video from the beginning to the end, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, my name is Girl. Let's go into the video. So here's the issue, right? When you're uploading your NIN or any government issued ID card on the ICRP portal, right, CAC uses an AI system to read the name on the card. Now, just like the OCR, that is the optical character recognition, but often the text on the ID is either too faint, too small, or not machine readable and portable. Ends up thinking your name is different from what you typed as proprietor details, right? Now that's where the name mismatch query comes from. So what that is trying to tell us is that most people go through this because of the inability of the system to probably recognize the name, and because the document you're uploading is not even very clear enough for the system to be able to read it, right? And that's where the name mismatch query comes from. But guess what, right? Your name is correct, right? It's just that the AI can't read it well as it stands, right? So this is the safe solution, right? This is safe solution. So listen and pay attention. Now here's a smart fix that works for a lot of people. Go through this step by step. What you need to do, scan the ID card or snap the ID card. What you need to do also, after the picture has been taken, make sure it is clear and clean as much as possible. Light is good, so don't do it in a dark place or in the night. Do it during the day. Once you're done with that, open a Canva app, or if you're good with CorelDRAW or Microsoft Word or any other software that will allow you to make some little edits, go open them up, right? You can use both your phone or your CPU, right, or your computer, whatever the case is. Then upload the ID card to this particular software you're using. If you're using Canva, I would advise to use Canva if you know how to use Canva. Upload it to Canva. Once you upload it to Canva, go to the part where the name is written. Now don't falsify the name. Disclaimer, don't falsify the name. Type out the exact name that's on the ID card. So if the name on the ID card is Ibukun Blessing, just type out the same Ibukun Blessing and on that same portion where the name is showing, and bolden it, make it the same size, right? This is always preferable for ID cards that have white background, especially the NIN ID card that has white background. If when editing this video, I'll put it somewhere around here so that you see what I'm saying. That ID card is easy to effect this particular correction. So you bolden it and make it legible and readable, right? Once you do that, the NIN number is as well. Retype the exact NIN that is on the card, and once you put the NIN, bolden it, and make sure it's readable and it has a lot of emphasis more than it has before. Work for ID cards that are old, right, that are tattered and rough. It will look somehow on the card. Done with this, the next thing you need to do is save this particular document as an image or JPEG or PNG, whatever the case is. Once it is saved, take it back to the AI portal, remove the current ID card that you have that's currently giving you this particular query. ID card is removed. Upload this new ID card that you have right now. Once you upload the new ID card that you have, now submit and let's see what's going to happen thereafter. Something. The first thing I want you to take note is that you are not changing the ID card, right? You are not forging or manipulating any data on the ID card. You are simply making the correct information bold for CAC system to read it and properly read it properly, right? For the OCR port, software to be able to read it properly. It's just like highlighting a word in a scanned document. No fraud, no deception. So the disclaimer is this: this is an unofficial workaround. It is not officially endorsed by the CAC. Please take note of that. But it has worked for many, and it helps reduce unnecessary queries and delays for registrations. That solves your problem, right? This is a workable solution. I believe you understand. Go on your Canva or whatever it is that you have. Put the document there. Edit properly. Make sure the same name you have there is what you're putting there, and make sure you make it, for emphasis sake, bold, as legible as possible. Now, we don't know if this is acceptable by the Corporate Affairs Commission, but legally I've checked. You are not altering the document details. The exact details that is there is what you're replicating there, and you're making sure that detail is readable by the OCR portal, right? I hope this will be able to help a lot of people solve the problem they are currently going through. Personally, I have a lot of registration. It's because I would have made a walkthrough video. The reason why I've not made a walkthrough video is because today has been a very hectic day. I'm recording this video late at night, and this is because my DM is full currently with so many issues. This same issue is full in my DM, and I have to make sure that this video goes out to help those who can solve the problem, solve it. And me myself, I might not be able to even go through this myself until Monday, right? So why would I have an information and not share it with you guys when it can have the possibility of solving your problems? Now, this person that walked through, that sent this, I don't even know her name. She has done this and it has worked for her, and I believe it's going to work for you. So let me get your response in the comment section. If it works for you, we'll find a legal way to share this proper walkthrough for those who might be having difficulty, especially if this method actually works. My name is Ezekiel. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you are able to solve all the problems you're having with your clients. Go through this, I really need your feedback to know if this works. I need your feedback within now and Monday. God bless you. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.